Welcome to a new tutorial. In this video, I am gonna show you how to crochet short rows. And to our help today, we have Ruth the Shrimp, which is shaped with 5 short rows. The short rows starts on, let me see, on round 14. So I'm gonna pop the pattern up here in the corner. I have already crocheted round 1 to 13 and round 14. We are starting with 18 single crochets and then we are changing color to lobster. So that is why I have a second color with me. We have already moved the beginning of the round to where it is supposed to be. Those instructions are before round 14 in the pattern. So 18 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Let's double check. So I counted it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18. Is it right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Counting in your mother tongue makes it a little bit easier. Okay, CC to lobster, which means we are gonna change color at this point. I'm just taking out the crochet hook, pulling out the yarn until I have 2 loops on the hook, and then we are grabbing the new yarn. I have recently used this skein to crochet with 2 strands of yarn, so we will see how tangled up this skein is, but hopefully it will go smoothly. Change color like so. Then we're gonna crochet 1 chain stitch and turn like this and crochet 12 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 6, 8, 10. What? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes. If you are crocheting the shrimp, there will be more stitches in this round then at the end, because we are crocheting a little bit back and forth due to the short rounds. The next thing we're gonna do is crochet a chain stitch and then turn, chain, and then turn again. So now we are back and crocheting with the right side facing you instead of the wrong side. Then we are gonna continue crocheting 12 single crochets. And then change the color back to peach or whatever your main color is. And then we have 6 regular single crochets left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is how it looks after round 14. We have a little bit of an edge here, but we're gonna fix that on round 15 so that it will also start looking like this. And because we are crocheting more on this side, your piece will start curving slightly. And that is how we get our curved little shrimp body or whatever you are crocheting and want a curve to. So let's crochet round 15. Let's see if I remember correctly. Yes, it is 24 single crochets. So that means 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And when you arrive at the edge of your short rows, we're just gonna jump onto that stitch and keep crocheting. Ta-da! You have now learned how to crochet short rounds, a very handy technique. And if you want to check out the shrimp pattern, Ruth the Shrimp, you will find the link for the pattern in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with your project, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!